By the time we turn 60, our bodies naturally lose up to 1% of muscle mass every year, and that affects more than just strength. It weakens the heart, slows digestion, and even impacts memory. What's more surprising? Most people don't even realize it's happening. But here's the good news. Sometimes, the most powerful health shifts come from the simplest daily habits. In fact, just adding the right fruits to your routine can support your heart, brain, and energy levels, naturally, gently, and without medication. Yes, one small change can spark big results. So, why don't more people know about this? The truth is, most seniors focus on what not to eat and overlook the healing power of what they should eat every day. In today's video, we'll uncover 5 fruits that science says can help you stay sharp, strong, and independent well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. These aren't exotic or expensive superfoods, just simple, delicious fruits you can find at any grocery store. Backhand index pointing right if you're ready to take back control of your health. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Senior Health Over 60. And share this video with someone you care about, because healthy aging is better when we do it together. Number 1, blueberries and brain health, the smart choice for aging minds. As we age, maintaining brain health becomes just as important as keeping our bodies strong. But unlike exercise or crossword puzzles, some of the most powerful tools for protecting our memory and mental clarity might already be sitting in our fridge. Blueberries, often nicknamed brain berries, are one of the most well-researched fruits when it comes to cognitive function. These little blue powerhouses are rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that crosses the blood-brain barrier to directly protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Aging naturally brings about changes in the brain, slower processing, occasional forgetfulness, and, in some cases, increased risk of cognitive decline. But studies have shown that older adults who regularly consume blueberries perform better on memory and learning tasks compared to those who don't. These benefits aren't limited to just preventing conditions like Alzheimer's. They help improve day-to-day recall, focus, and even mood. Let me tell you about Robert, a retired school principal who had always been known for his sharp wit and strong memory. But as he entered his late 70s, he began to notice the little things slipping: names, appointments, even why he walked into a room. His daughter, concerned but hopeful, encouraged him to make small changes to his diet, including adding a handful of fresh blueberries to his oatmeal every morning. At first, Robert was skeptical. How could fruit help what felt like inevitable aging? But after just a couple of months, he noticed subtle changes: clearer thinking, faster word recall, and a more stable mood. His doctor wasn't surprised. The compounds in blueberries don't just work overnight, but over time they help strengthen communication between brain cells and reduce inflammation that impairs brain function. Beyond memory, blueberries also support overall neurological health. They improve blood flow to the brain, a vital factor in maintaining sharp thinking and focus, and they reduce oxidative damage, which accumulates with age and can contribute to mental fatigue. What's more, they're incredibly easy to add to your daily routine. Mix them into Greek yogurt, toss them into a smoothie, or simply enjoy them as an afternoon snack. Frozen blueberries are just as powerful as fresh ones, making them available year-round in most U.S. grocery stores. And let's not forget, blueberries also benefit the heart, support blood sugar balance, and contribute to digestive health. So while we're focusing on the brain today, know that this fruit is doing more than one job in your body. If there's one takeaway here, it's this: don't underestimate small, consistent habits. A daily cup of blueberries might seem simple, but it's a delicious and science-backed way to care for one of your most important organs, your brain. Number 2, avocados and heart health, a creamy way to care for your circulation. When it comes to taking care of your heart after 60, most people think of cutting back on salt or walking more often. But sometimes, the foods that add something to your diet, like creamy, nutrient-rich avocados, can be just as powerful. Avocados are a heart's best friend, especially as we age. They're packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind that help reduce inflammation in your arteries and lower LDL bad cholesterol while increasing HDL good cholesterol. That balance is vital in protecting against heart attacks and strokes. Another standout nutrient in avocados is potassium. In fact, they contain more potassium per ounce than bananas. This mineral is essential for balancing sodium in the body and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. As blood vessels age, they tend to lose flexibility, making blood pressure harder to regulate. But potassium works to relax the blood vessels and promote smoother, healthier circulation. Frank, a 75-year-old veteran and grandfather of 5, had been struggling with high blood pressure for years. Despite being on medication, his readings remained stubbornly high, and he often felt sluggish and anxious. After a candid talk with his physician, Frank decided to change his breakfast habits. Out went the processed pastries. In came half an avocado on whole grain toast every morning. It wasn't an overnight fix, but within 3 months, Frank's blood pressure readings began to drop. His energy returned, and for the first time in years, he was able to play tag with his grandkids without feeling winded. His doctor was impressed, but not surprised. The anti-inflammatory fats and potassium in avocados were doing their job. But avocados don't stop at the heart. They also help reduce joint inflammation, a welcome bonus for aging knees and hips. They support skin elasticity, thanks to their vitamin E and healthy fats, and even benefit eye health with their natural lutein content. And they're versatile. Spread them on toast, blend them into smoothies, dice them into salads, or enjoy them straight with a pinch of salt and pepper. Their creamy texture makes them satisfying, which can also help prevent unhealthy snacking throughout the day. Now, a quick word of caution. While avocados are incredibly healthy, they are calorie-dense. For most older adults, half an avocado a day is a great balance. It gives you all the heart-loving nutrients without going overboard. In the end, your heart needs more than just good intentions. It needs consistent, nourishing habits, and adding avocado to your diet might be one of the most delicious decisions you'll ever make for your cardiovascular health. Number 3. Pomegranates and anti-aging, the ancient fruit with modern benefits. For centuries, the pomegranate has symbolized life, vitality, and even immortality in cultures around the world. But beyond its beautiful ruby-red seeds lies something even more powerful. Science-backed anti-aging benefits that make it a must-have for anyone looking to stay sharp, mobile, and energized after 60. The key to the pomegranate's strength lies in its rich supply of polyphenols, plant compounds with powerful antioxidant effects. These compounds protect your body's cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that accelerate aging, inflammation, and disease. This makes pomegranates not just a delicious snack, but a powerful tool in the fight against time. One of the most impressive benefits: improved circulation. As we age, blood vessels can stiffen and narrow, making it harder for oxygen and nutrients to reach vital organs. The antioxidants in pomegranates help relax blood vessels and support smooth, steady blood flow, which in turn lowers the risk of high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. Take Dorothy, for example, an 80-year-old retired nurse who had always been active but began struggling with joint stiffness and low energy. Her daughter suggested she try a daily glass of unsweetened pomegranate juice. Skeptical at first, Dorothy gave it a shot. Within weeks, she felt lighter on her feet, her knees didn't ache as much, and she no longer needed that second cup of coffee just to get through the morning. It wasn't magic, it was mitochondria. Pomegranate's polyphenols help cells produce energy more efficiently, which is especially important for seniors who feel drained or fatigued easily. And by reducing systemic inflammation, pomegranates can ease joint pain, protect against cognitive decline, and even help maintain skin elasticity. What's also remarkable is how this fruit supports immune health. A single serving of pomegranate seeds or juice provides a significant dose of vitamin C, essential for fighting infections, especially in older adults whose immune systems naturally weaken with age. During cold and flu season, this alone can make a real difference. If fresh pomegranates are hard to find or too time-consuming to prepare, don't worry. Many grocery stores in the U.S. now carry prepackaged seeds or high-quality pomegranate juice with no added sugars. Just be sure to read labels carefully. The health benefits come from pure fruit, not sugary blends. Adding pomegranate to your daily routine is easy. Sprinkle the seeds on your morning yogurt or oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy a small glass of juice with lunch. Over time, you may notice subtle but powerful shifts in your energy, focus, and mobility. In the world of aging well, it's the quiet heroes that often make the biggest difference. Pomegranates may not be flashy, but their benefits speak volumes for your heart, your joints, your immune system, and your overall longevity. Number 4. Papayas and digestive health, the tropical fruit that supports your gut and immunity. When most people think of papayas, they imagine a tropical getaway or a refreshing smoothie. But this golden orange fruit offers far more than just sweet flavor. For adults over 60, papayas can play a surprisingly powerful role in improving digestion, enhancing nutrient absorption, and strengthening the immune system, all key elements of healthy aging. As we grow older, our digestive systems naturally slow down. Meals that once felt light and easy to process may now cause bloating, constipation, or discomfort. This is where papayas truly shine. They contain a natural digestive enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins and supports smoother digestion. This enzyme can ease that heavy, full feeling many seniors experience after eating, especially when meals are rich in protein. Margaret, a 76-year-old retired librarian, had struggled with bloating for years. Despite trying different diets and medications, nothing offered long-term relief. One day, a friend recommended she try eating a small bowl of ripe papaya after lunch. At first, she was skeptical. It seemed too simple. But after a couple of weeks, she noticed a real difference. Her stomach felt lighter, her energy returned, and her overall digestion improved. What started as a small change became a daily habit that transformed her well-being. Beyond digestion, papayas also help the body absorb more nutrients from food, a benefit that's often overlooked. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at pulling vitamins and minerals from the meals we eat. This can lead to deficiencies, even when we think we're eating well. But the fiber and enzymes in papaya assist with better absorption, ensuring that more of the good stuff actually gets used by the body. Papayas are also packed with vitamin C, more than 100% of the recommended daily intake in just one serving. That makes them a natural immune booster, which is critical for seniors. Older adults tend to have weaker immune defenses, putting them at higher risk for colds, flu, and other infections. Adding papaya to your daily diet is a simple way to keep your immune system strong year-round. And let's not forget their anti-inflammatory power. Papayas contain beta-carotene and lycopene, two potent antioxidants that help reduce chronic inflammation, a key contributor to arthritis, heart disease, and even cognitive decline. In other words, this fruit doesn't just make you feel better today, it helps protect your body long-term. Best of all, papayas are incredibly easy to incorporate into meals. Enjoy them on their own, toss them into a fruit salad, blend into a smoothie, or serve chilled with a squeeze of lime. For those who prefer natural remedies over supplements, papaya is a gentle and delicious way to support digestive wellness. A happy gut and a strong immune system are two of the most important foundations of healthy aging. And papayas, humble, colorful, and nutrient-packed, are an excellent way to support both, one bite at a time. Number 5. Apples and blood sugar control, a simple fruit with powerful protection. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And while it might sound like an old-fashioned saying, modern science is proving that there's real wisdom in it. Especially for people over 60, apples offer a unique blend of nutrients that support blood sugar regulation, reduce inflammation, and help the body age more gracefully. As we age, our ability to manage blood sugar naturally declines. Our cells become less responsive to insulin, and blood sugar levels tend to rise more easily after meals. This can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and a greater risk for type 2 diabetes. But apples, thanks to their high fiber content, especially a type called pectin, slow down digestion and prevent those post-meal sugar spikes. That means steadier energy, fewer cravings, and a more stable metabolism throughout the day. Henry, an 82-year-old retired contractor, had always prided himself on staying active. But in recent years, he began feeling stiff, tired, and mentally foggy, signs he once attributed to just getting older. His doctor suggested a few dietary changes, including eating a fresh apple every day. Henry figured he had nothing to lose. 3 months later, he not only noticed his digestion improving, but his knees didn't ache as much, and he felt clearer and more energized. His morning apple had become a small but powerful ritual. Beyond blood sugar, apples are packed with polyphenols, compounds that fight inflammation at a cellular level. Inflammation is one of the root causes of many age-related diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, and even cognitive decline. Eating apples regularly helps reduce this internal stress, giving your body a chance to heal and repair naturally. Apples also act as a natural prebiotic, meaning they feed the good bacteria in your gut. And as emerging research continues to show, gut health plays a vital role in not just digestion, but mood, immune function, and even memory. The better your gut health, the more resilient your whole body becomes. Another major benefit: apples are incredibly accessible. You can find them year-round in any grocery store across the U.S. They don't need to be refrigerated, require no preparation, and can be enjoyed raw, sliced into a salad, or paired with a bit of nut butter for a balanced snack. Just be sure to eat the skin. That's where much of the fiber and antioxidants are concentrated. Whether you prefer tart Granny Smiths or sweet Fuji's, adding an apple a day to your diet is one of the easiest and most effective steps you can take toward better aging. It's not a flashy superfood, and it doesn't come with marketing hype, but it works quietly and consistently in your favor. In a world full of complex diets and expensive supplements, the humble apple stands out as a gentle, natural ally. For stable blood sugar, reduced inflammation, and lasting vitality, it truly earns its place on your plate every single day. We've just explored 5 simple fruits: blueberries, avocados, pomegranates, papayas, and apples, each with its own unique way of supporting your body as you age. From sharper thinking to better digestion, stronger hearts to more stable energy, these fruits are more than tasty treats. They're part of a long-term strategy for vibrant aging. The truth is, there's no single miracle food that guarantees a longer life. But small, consistent habits, like adding a handful of berries to breakfast or swapping chips for an apple, can add up to big changes over time. The healthiest seniors in the world aren't relying on pills or fads. They're turning to nature, to real foods, and to routines that support them one day at a time. So now, the question is, which fruit will you start with? Leave us a comment and let us know your favorite. And don't forget, hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Your support helps us grow this community.